Welcome to Las Delicias de la Cocina, aka the deliciousness of the kitchen. Today we'll be cooking a delicious rice pudding known as Arroz De Leche. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. The ingredients that we are going to use are 2 cups of rice, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a 17-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of raisins, 2 whole cinnamons, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and half a gallon of milk. We are going to place our pot at mid-fire with 4 cups of water. Then we are going to add our whole cinnamon. We then are going to let that our water with the whole cinnamon boils. For now, we are going to cover it. Meanwhile, we let our water with the whole cinnamon boil. We are going to rinse our rice. Once we have finished rinsing our rice, we could now go check out our water with the whole cinnamon. As you can see, our water with the whole cinnamon is boiling. Now we could add our rice little by little. Once we have finished adding our rice, we are now going to add our raisins. As you can see, I have finished adding the raisins. We don't want our raisins to stay all together. Therefore, we are going to stir them so the raisins can spread out and mix with the rice, and then we could add our sugar. We are going to stir so our sugar gets well mixed with our whole cinnamon, rice, and raisins. Once we have finished adding our whole cinnamon, rice, raisins, and sugar, we are going to cover our pot until it boils. As you can see, our pot with our ingredients has boiled. We are going to stir it so it does not stick to our pot. We have to continue to stir it so it does not stick to our pot. We are now going to check our rice. We want our rice grain to be soft, not hard. At this point, we are now going to check once more our rice grain and also check how it is from sugar. It depends on your taste. If you like more sweet, you can add more sugar to your taste. As you can see, this is the point that we want our rice, so we could pour our milk. When we are pouring our milk at the same time, we will have to be mixing it. Once we have finished pouring our milk, we are now going to add our ground cinnamon. Let's finish adding our ground cinnamon, we are going to stir it. Once we have finished mixing our ground cinnamon, we are now going to add our vanilla and mix it. Once we have finished adding our ground cinnamon and vanilla, we are lastly going to add our sweetened condensed milk. We are going to be mixing our rice pudding constantly so it does not stick to our pot and get a skin layer on top. We are going to continue mixing it until it boils. As you can see, our rice pudding begins to boil. At this point, once it has boiled, we are going to turn it off. We are still going to continue mixing it so we don't get a skin layer on top of our pudding. Our rice pudding is ready. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and give it a like. I hope you like this recipe. Remember, for more recipes, subscribe to my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.